Hi everyone, this is meant for Anthropology Optional candidates. Please watch the video till the end if you're an Anthropology Optional candidate. For those of you who are writing the mains this September, or for those of you who are preparing with Anthropology as an optional, I am going to have a workshop in Delhi on August 3rd and August 4th. It's 2 sessions on August 3rd and a question and answer writing practice session on August 4th. Do you know what is scientific answers? Do you understand what do you mean by logical flow? How important is the keywords to be quoted in an optional answer? These 3 points, if you learn them, you can multiply it by 100 and score more than 300 in the optional papers, which is a very important ingredient in getting selected for the interview. So for anthropology, how to approach and give scientific answers with a logical flow and use of keywords, we will have a workshop. It's on August 3rd morning and evening session, and based on that discussion, a practice answer writing session on August 4th, first half in the morning. So the details of the program are given in the description below. I will look forward to meeting you all on August 3rd and 4th at the Delhi campus of Officers IAS Academy for scoring 300 plus in your anthropology optional. Thank you.